Hi, I'm T from Pilates Pro Maintenance. Today I'm here with Gratz, and we're going to run over all the general maintenance on the Gratz reformer. A few things I want to run by you first. You want to stay uniform when you're turning over the Gratz reformers. Keep the same system that I'm about to show you today. Reason is because if you're turning over more than one reformer, or if you're servicing 3, 4, or 5 reformers at the same time, it helps to stay uniform and organized in a way that will keep you safe and knowing which parts you turned over first or last and from missing anything in the service. First, we're going to remove the handles from the shoulder blocks. And specifically in the Gratz reformer, you could actually remove the handles off the straps and slide the straps from behind the back wheels. This will save you a lot of trouble from having the straps tangling when you're turning the carriage over or when you're putting it back together. And again, this is only possible on the Gratz reformer. Today we're taking them off, but if you decided to not take them off, you could also just leave them hanging back here inside the wheels, and they'll just hang towards the back end of the reformer. Remove 4 springs or all springs.